Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start a marketing career. First, immerse yourself in the fundamentals of marketing, understanding consumer behavior and market trends. Next, actively seek out opportunities for practical experience, whether through internships, volunteer work, or personal projects. Finally, begin building a robust professional network and establish a compelling online presence to showcase your emerging skills and passion for the field. To truly excel, focus on developing a diverse skill set. Strong communication is vital for conveying your message, while analytical skills help you understand campaign performance. Master key digital platforms such as social media, search engine optimization, and email marketing. Additionally, learn the art of creating engaging content and interpreting data to make informed strategic decisions. Gaining real-world experience is crucial. Look for entry-level positions, freelance gigs, or volunteer for small businesses to apply your knowledge. As you complete projects, meticulously document your contributions and the results. Compile these into a compelling portfolio, highlighting measurable achievements like a 15% increase in website traffic or a 10% boost in social media engagement. When applying, customize your resume and cover letter for every single job, emphasizing how your skills align with their specific needs. Thoroughly research each company before an interview, understanding their mission and recent campaigns. Practice answering common questions to build confidence. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and fueled during your job search.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.